Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my home. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to have a look at Gabor Fresh Chic and GL16-27SS Buttered Biscuit. Let's talk about Fresh Chic, and then I'm going to compare it to Sweet Talk because they are very similar. But I want to show you Fresh Chic, such a nice style. I purchased this with my own funds from wigstudio1.com. And let's have a look at the inside of the cap. As you can tell, it has a lace front, up into a left mono part, open wefted, closed felt ear tabs with stays. It has a closed felt nape with Velcro adjusters. And there is a good bit of stretch in here. Now this color, I will have an outdoor video of this color, of course, and actually I will have side-by-side of Sweet Talk and Fresh Chic, so you will see how they look side-by-side. But let's look at this color, Buttered Biscuit, so pretty. Begins with this caramel brown base, as you can tell. And it blends into all these beautiful tones of light brown and light blonde. This is a very wheaty color to me, a wheaty blonde. It has a lot of dimension. Really pretty. And like I said, I'll have some outdoor video. Okay, let's try this on. Okay, let's look at Fresh Chic. Show you the back. Lots and lots of beachy waves that are so popular right now. Now I like the way this comes down in the front. It has this little soft bang. It's like 4 inches. So you won't have a lot of hair like falling into your face or anything like that with this one right out of the box. Just very beachy, light Gabor fibers, all that, very textured. This one is very, very textured. Let me let you see this up close. I want you to see the lace front. The coverage, good coverage here. Now this fit me a little large. I am a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I would probably take this up just a hair. This did fit me a little large. My face is 9 inches from hairline to chin, so you can see where this might fit on you. And like I said, as soon as I put this on, I thought this reminds me of Sweet Talk, so that's why I want to show them to you side by side. There is permatease in this wig. Around the ears here, I feel it for sure. It's stacked in the back again. Let me show you that. It has that little stacked back here. So this part fits close to the nape, which is nice, I think, on this style. But yes, there is definitely some permatease working through here to give you a little height here. Like I said, this comes in at a 4-inch front. The crown is 7½. Then it stacks down, like I spoke about earlier, into a 2½-inch nape. The sides are 6½. And it is very light, only weighs 2.8 ounces. All right, let's look at some ways to style it. Okay, that was just a couple of ways to style it. Now I want to show you, this is the comparison. This is Gabor Sweet Talk, and I have it in Toasted Pecan. As you can see, it's a very similar style. They both have these beachy waves, just deconstructed, nothing. You don't want to fix this wig. It is what it is. Let it be full. Let it be just fun. Run your fingers through it. I sprayed some sea salt spray, just a little in there to separate my curls just a little. I like that look. You don't have to, of course, but I just think it's a fun, carefree look. Same with Sweet Talk, but like I said, they're very similar. Toasted Pecan is an ash brown with cool blonde highlights, a very, very ashy color. And the specs on Sweet Talk, the front is 7. The crown on Sweet Talk is 8.5. The sides are 6. It has a back of 7.5. And it has a 3.5 inch nape. So it's a little longer than this one. But very, very similar. These are definitely sister styles. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed making it for you. Again, I have lots of video that I'm going to insert of both of these side by side. And I just enjoy these comparison videos. Let me know if you do too. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, follow me over on Instagram. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.